Hi guys, so we are walking and then oh my god. Kaya dito camera. Shh, quiet, malalag may intro. Hi Hi guys, welcome to MMB Vlogs, and today we are going to go to Dunkin, and this is our journey going to Dunkin. So right now we are in front of Metro Inn, y'all. If you're in Metro Inn, come and go out and then follow us to Dunkin right now. Mana, what can you say that we're gonna go to Dunkin? Looking like Yagit and then looking like Lago. Lago ka nga ni, you are the Lago. Guys, what a book. Ulit ako, wala, look at the booking skills. Manang, I learned so much. Tapos vlog take over, guys. Guys, like follow us on vlog. So we'll see you at Dunkin. Jump 1, 2, 3, go. And now we're back. Mana, say hi to our vlog. We are now in Dunkin, and this is what I ordered. I ordered choco butternut, Boston cream, and then this is icy chocolate large. What did you order, Mana?
I ordered Bavarian filled and icy frozen grape. Yummy!
What did you order?
I ordered 3 chocolate glaze. I ordered 1.
Like, I got the What is this? Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme!
And 1 icy chocolate large.
What did you order, Lily?
Milk tea. Dunkin yan.
Okay, so
Taste
on her. Oh, let me.
It's nice. May off.
Can I try?
Yeah, may off. Off lotion.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Mogo-mogo, but it's
Yeah,
not.
yeah.
With medicine.
Yeah.
Chocolate is cheap and it's the best. Twins! Try hard to be unique. See you guys after we eat. Time lapse! Take a photo anymore. I will not take a photo anymore. Guys, we're done. We're done eating Dunkin, and we're gonna walk back to MMB because we're gonna have just. I will not take a photo anymore. I will not take a photo anymore. You know what's your middle finger? That's literally like touching her. I will not take a photo anymore. That's Luis and Luis. That's only Luis.
Si Luis lang na. Pero kung amo na, si Luis, hug si Luis. Oh, but they're out of
Ano? Diba ang si Luis? Diba si Luis, amo na siya ang dumapicture ka sa sunset tapos black. Si Lu. Uli, natas see you guys when we see you. O ka na, ikaw. Huy!
Okay, NBA. If you want to sing.
Okay, NBA. Okay, dunk. Dunk it! Only if, yeah, in that, Imais. Right? Yak! Guys! Guys! Wait, we have to actually be aesthetic. We have to be aesthetic.
I was always taking pictures, cause I didn't wanna miss you so bad. Miss you this.
Thank you! Lumpat! 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 Gamay lang na! Lumpat! Gamay na! Oo, hindi na kami mapuli na kami dahil. Bye-bye! Bye! See you next time. We're just up there.
Ang sustarat eh. Hindi mo tapik sa ano.
Why mo ka topic?
Ang sustarat eh.
Di balik ka to eh? Mga kabataan ba na? Ano? Wala ka mag-utay, ikaw giling. Okay, now it is getting stinky.